one of the main things you have to do if you're using an app is make sure you have the right amount of keys on the screen. So if you can make sure you have at least 11 visible keys, and then make sure your bottom note is an A, so you might have to slide it down. So you need to have an A down here as your bottom note, and a D up here as your top note, and those are the notes that you're going to be using for this. Last thing I need to point out is an F sharp. So on your music, it looks like an F with a hashtag after it. It's this one here, the black note in between F and G. So we've got F and G, but F sharp is the black note in between F and G. You'll find that in the second section of the piece. And play it again. Section B. One, two, three, four. Section A again.